here's how we can leave a group chat on the iPhone. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So you basically get inside the messages application as usual, and you can see that we have a couple of groups in here, and I can get inside and tap on the people icon at the top. So you can see that I have the ability to see the people in here and stuff, but in order to leave the group, there is a button dedicated which will tell you to leave this conversation, and it might even be clickable, no problem, but then you notice that it may not even be possible, and it might turn into this like grayed out leave this conversation button. And the reason behind it is that you likely have less than 4 or 5 people in the group, in which case you cannot really leave it, right? So it's, currently there are 3 people in this group, and if I left, then it would just be a normal conversation between the other 2. So it's not how it works. You cannot really leave it, right? It's just how it's been designed. So if you cannot do it, if you cannot leave it, then this is probably the issue. Or another problem could be that this is not really a group chat on iMessage, but it is an SMS message to multiple people, right? Because, if you decide that you want to create a new group chat, you start the, new message, and you are adding more people in here, right? And if the message is blue in here, meaning that you add only people who use iMessage, then it is a regular group chat. But if I add someone who is not on iMessage, for example, an Android user, then it's just an SMS message sent to all of those people separately. And in that case, there isn't any group to leave, right? So it gets a little bit more confusing or complicated, but that's generally how it works. So I genuinely hope that I was able to explain it the way it functions. If there's anything else which I did not mention in the video below, then let me know about it in the comments. For now, that's it, and I'll see you in the next videos too.